Hi guys, today I want to talk about attracting more positive outcomes. I actually don't make a lot of YouTube videos. I've been so busy with all of my other things like my private coaching, my digital resources like my ebooks, my digital courses, but I've decided to start making some YouTube videos for you guys on a weekly basis. So I'll be posting new videos once or twice a week, depending on the questions I get and so forth. So I decided to make this video today, seeing that I had a few questions on from clients asking how to attract more positive outcomes. But for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Geraldine. I'm a health, wellness, and mindset expert and coach. And before we get into the video, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be notified whenever I post new content weekly and so. Okay, so I often get the question from clients asking how to attract more positive outcomes. So in this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step guide with you that you can follow to help you achieve this. And always remember that what you focus on expands. So if you are constantly focusing on the negative situations or the lack of something, that is what you'll attract more of. But if you can find a way to focus on the positive things and outcomes and how abundant you actually are right now, you'll attract more positive outcomes and situations for yourself. So, the first step is to clarify your desires. Be really specific on what you want. You can write them down, make a list, or even create a vision board for yourself, but always do what feels best for you. Then the second step is to visualize with emotion. So I want you to visualize your desires and the desired outcome, but attach your emotions to it. So basically, feel the feelings of having your desires. It can be joy, excitement, gratitude, or even freedom, whatever your desires would provide for you. And then I also want you to use your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? So I want you to really create this experience for yourself when visualizing your desires. Then the third step is to practice gratitude. So if you can practice gratitude on a daily basis and be thankful for the things that you already have in your life, this will instantly raise your vibration and align you with more positive things to attract into your life. So I want you to really take time each day to practice gratitude and be grateful for all the things in your life, and also be grateful for all the things that you want to attract, because that's going to align you with having the things that you desire. Then the last step is to affirm positive beliefs. You can use positive affirmations for this. Just for example, I attract abundance into my life. But I want you to connect a feeling and emotion to the affirmation when repeating them on a daily basis. Don't just say the words because you have to, or someone told you to do it. I actually want you to do what feels right and best for you. So write down a few affirmations for yourself and then repeat them daily, but do it with connection and emotion. And I also want you to pay attention to any negative thoughts coming up. We all have negative thoughts popping up from time to time. So I want you to be aware of this. When you go about your day and a negative thought pops into your head, I want you to recognize it, and then instead on focusing on that negative thought, I want you to rephrase it with a positive belief or thought instead. So replace the negative ones with more positive beliefs and thoughts so that you aren't focusing on the negative so much. So just to quickly sum up the steps for this guide that you have to follow. One is to clarify your desires. Be really specific on what you want to attract. Number two, I want you to visualize with emotion. Number three, practice gratitude on a daily basis if you can. It's a powerful tool. And the last step is to affirm positive beliefs. If you would like to work with me, you can visit my website for more information on my private coaching, and also be sure to check out my digital resources. These will really help you to live a better life and also help in shifting your mindset. So I'll drop a link for my website in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.